is, when you do CPR, you're breathing your air into someone else. You breathe out carbon dioxide. So how does that help?
Thanks, Mel. Yeah, that does come up a lot. Yes, we are giving somebody carbon dioxide when we breathe into them, but we are also giving them a percentage of oxygen. The reason why it works is the air that we all inhale now, it's mainly nitrogen, but there is about 21% oxygen in that air. So you inhale a lot of things, but about 21% oxygen. When you exhale, there is still about 16% oxygen that you breathe out, which means you've only used 5%. So if we were to breathe our 16% of oxygen into a patient, yes, they are getting carbon dioxide, but the red blood cells will only pick up the oxygen molecules. Doesn't worry about anything else. It's only picking up the oxygen molecules, and there's 16% there. They only need 5%, so that's why it works. We breathe them. We're giving them oxygen that they desperately
Well, that
need.
makes sense.